Hey there mga my loves, Gemini. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel po. So yun, bago natin simulan ng inyong February 2024 reading, no, or ang inyong love month. Reminders na timeless to, syempre, at wala tayong gender here. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watcher, shoot and preference if you want. Wala tayo ritong time, and of course, age is not important, so let's not get fixed to that. Kung may mabanggit man dito no, na zodiac sign, na ibig sabihin pwedeng tinataglay niya yung characteristics or personality nun, but doesn't have to be na yun lang yung zodiac sign no, na pwede mong kadil. It's just the energy. Okay? You could be dealing here with any zodiac sign. Alright? So, at the end of the day, syempre wag nyo kalimutan that you have your free will. So, we have two decks right here for you guys this February 2024. We're gonna check that out. At syempre, ano pang hinihintay natin, no? Pasalamatan na muna natin, no, ang lahat. No? Thank you so much, new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Welcome, welcome. And of course, no, sa mga returning subscribers, maraming salamat sa patuloy at wala ninyong sawang pag-support. At thank you rin sa mga angels and spirit guides, no, na present here together with Archangel Michael. Thank you so much for being present here in this reading. Let's see. This is for Gemini. I-shuffle na muna natin both decks before we start diving more. Okay, so Spirit Angel guys, tell me something about Gemini's February 2024, please. Gemini's February 2024. Can you please show me? February 2024. Gemini. Gemini. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Pero posibleng meron dito na maglalaro kayo or baka iba tapos na. Naglaro kayo rito. Hindi ko sinabing kayo ay manunugal. Or maaaring maglaro kayo, no, may posibilidad mga babes, no, na matalo kayo. Hindi dahil hindi kayo marunong, kundi dahil posible kayong madugas. Okay? So, please, iikot ninyo ang inyong mga mata. Yan. Ayan na, hindi ko tinotolerate yung mga nagsusugal. Hindi lang yan cards, hindi lang yan mahjong or whatever, no? Bingo or whatever, no? So, yan, no, baka may pandarayang posibleng mangyari, no? So, syempre, pag ang laro ay may kasamang pandaraya, hindi na yun exciting. Tama, diba? Syempre, matik, makukuha yung pinaya mo. So, yun, no? Mas maganda na, ibili mo na lang yun ng pagkain. Pala desisyon yung reader. So, yun. Yan, no? Uso na rin ngayon yung mga online na mga games. So, that is not an exemption. Pwede din po yan doon. Alright. Let me shuffle this one as well. This is for my Gemini. What this Gemini needs to know for February 2024. Can you please show me? Gemini. Okay, so got it. Let's get into this reading. This is for my Gemini people. First energy we've got right here for you guys is this. Eight of Pentacles. Busy schedule, I'm seeing you working, magpo-focus kayo more, no, maybe mas marami kayong work na gagawin here, pero okay lang yan, no, I'm seeing money na nag-i-improve dito for you guys, no. Yung iba, pwedeng mahilig kayo sa craftsmanship, no, or baka mahilig kayong ma-arts, no, yung parang into arts kayo, no, painting, sculpting, no, you're creative, okay? And if not, okay, I'm also picking up right here that you are gonna invest your time wherein you're gonna use here concepts or mga brainy ideas, no, na manggagaling sa inyo rito, no. You will enjoy making money, okay? You will be busy, no, trabaho man yan or hobbies, no, pero nakikita ko na kung hobbies yan, nakikita ko na mapagkakakitaan or pagkakakitaan mo yan this love month, no. So, kung meron kayong talent, no, sakto, Valentine's, di ba? Kung marunong kayo mag-crochet, mga ganun, no. I have a cousin na marunong siya mag-crochet, no, ng flowers, no. Of course, no, that is an example, no. Parang, kung bibigyan yung loved ones, no, you can sell that, no, sa mga magjojowa diyan. Para yun yung ibigay nila 'no, kasi hindi nalalanta 'no, tapos puwede mo pa siyang i-keep 'no, kahit kung gaano mo katagal yan i-keep, may parang ganyan. Meron kayo ritong parang hobbies na puwedeng pagkakitaan ninyo 'no, or magiging busy kayo sa work 'no, nakikita ko rito na marami kayong gagawin pero mag-e-enjoy kayo, yan 'no. So hindi ito tambak trabaho lang, okey? So let's keep moving, Gemini. We also have here the Three of Pentacles. See, you could be working here with people or with a partner. Nakikita ko na siya yung magdadala rito ng money sa'yo, no? Or parang, uy pre, alam mo meron tayong lakad, no? At alam ko na ikaw yung right person, no? Na talagang makakatulong at dapat ko maging partner rito. So ano, tara? Yan. So there is some kind of an offer right here wherein, oh sige, okay, you're gonna give it a go, okay? Kasi kilala mo siya eh. Alam mo mapagkakatiwalaan siya, no? So kung sino man 'yan 'no, this person here will give you or offer you an opportunity for money. So puwedeng 'yan ay hindi lang once na parang tinawag ka or whatever 'no. I think, mauulit pa ulit yung ganyang klase ng transaction 'no, a partnership, could be a business here, okay? Nothing illegal. Nothing illegal, okay. So yeah, let's keep moving. I also have here the moon. Yeah, maybe you do not see this coming here, but I think there is some kind of secret, no? Na pwedeng ma-reveal this love month here. I don't know why I'm picking up that maybe it has something to do with your emotions flowing. I, okay, I must say that this has something to do with heart space, your love life here. I'm picking up that you do not see this coming, but someone here will definitely open your heart. Yeah. May magbubukas rito ng puso mo at damdamin mo 'no, kung ikaw 'to na naging close off ka 'no, close off in love, you know, before, because of the past experiences that you have. Maybe you're gonna meet here bagong kaklase if you are a student, bagong katrabaho 'no, if you are already working, or baka bagong business potential partner here. Not this one, okay, ibang energy nakikita ko na hindi yang mag-aakay sa inyo sa trabaho 'no. This is a different one. Someone here will gonna open your heart, okay, and steer your emotions here. This will not be easy for you to dive in a relationship with this person here, but for some reason, there's a bumbilya, nakita ko rito. You're gonna, kasi mabilis kang pumikap eh. You're gonna witness, no, na parang there's something deeper dito sa makikilala mong bago. Yung iba may pag-uusap na kayo dito 'no, eh, parang ikaw 'to na, "Ay teka nga, bakit parang gusto ko pa siyang kausap more?" Tama, kasi yun na yun. Okay, so ilatag naman na natin lahat, Gemini. Also, yeah, look at that, see? Now we've got the Ace of Cups, so tell me, it's someone new popping up into your life, and this water lily, yan, is the symbol here of this person that will love you for who you are. For who you are, without judgment. Anything na nakikita mong syonget about yourself, this person will accept that. Yeah. Like wholeheartedly. And it's a natural thing that will unfold between the both of you guys. And yung iba, na-meet nyo na yan, no? Meron na nagkakaroon na rito, no, na harmonious, no, na connection. Okay? BTS, behind the scenes. Yan. We also have here this Nine of Wands energy. I'm seeing you motivated doing something here regarding money and finances. It's about the growth and stability. Maybe gusto mo makapag-ipon, no? But I do not see you na meron kang bibilihin. But I'm seeing na pwedeng may expense coming up sa future, no? Pero do not worry because hindi yun emergency or what, no? Meron kang pagkagagastusan in the future, no? Na nakikita ko rito na magdadala no ng malaking ngiti sa'yo. Okay? Yung iba puwedeng yan ay baka bibili ka ng bagong laptop, baka yung dream laptop na bet mo, or baka yan naman ay kotse 'no, or bahay 'no. Meron ka ritong mabibili 'no, in the future na hindi mo pa naiisip ngayon, like hindi mo pa naisip 'no, pero nakikita ko rito 'no, may pagkakagastusan kang malaki na magdadala 'no ng galak at tuwa sa'yo at magagamit mo. So, it's worth investment. Yung iba, ito ha, not for all, pero yung iba nakikita ko na meron kayong i-change sa inyong physical appearance, no? Pero syempre without judgment, mga babes, no? Do what makes you happy, diba? Kung saan kayo masaya, go for it. But I'm seeing others of you could be doing surgery, no? Or aesthetics. Okay, if this is not you, then I'm getting very few specifically na yun yung gusto nila. Change. Okay? As long as you're happy, babe. Okay? Whatever you want to do to your body, basta keep yourself healthy. Okay? And of course, follow what the doctor will tell you. Okay? And avoid the things, okay, that will, no, hindi sinabi or isasabihin ng inyong doctor here. Okay? If this is you, na ikaw yung nakuha natin na few na yun na pwedeng merong surgery or gusto ritong aesthetics na gawin sa sarili mo. Okay, go for it, no? If it makes you happy. Okay, so yeah, let's keep moving here. Knight of Wands energy. Yeah. Sakto. Okay? Kung sino man yung taong makikilala mo, paparating na siya. Kaya nga, bago pa mga babes, no? Mag-February 14, I do pick up that you're gonna meet this person here. Doesn't have to be na mag-celebrate kayo agad ng February 14, Valentine's Day. Pero maaaring dun, no? Like, it's close to meeting that person. It's very near to that date that you'll probably meet that person. Maybe through a coworker or maybe here, no, kapitbahay kind of thing. No, that's very specific. Or meron kang friend na alam mo yung parang siyang bulating na asinan. Yung friend mo na parang super happy, super jolly, no? I think for others of you, yun yung characteristics na nakukuha ko, no? Siya, yung friends mong kalog at funny, no? Siya ang magiging daan upang makilala mo ang iyong the one, no? Or yung susunod mong mamahalin, no? Kung tatanungin ninyo ako mga babes, no, kung pang lifetime na ba yun, hindi ko pa masabi dahil ang moon ay nandito at yung iba hindi nyo pa siya nakikilala. But we're gonna take a look at more, okay? So, let's see at the bottom of the deck. You have here this Nine of Pentacles energy. Yeah, see you. May rebirth, no? May changes na mangyayari rito, no? When it comes to your money, new beginning it is, no? Dumating kayo dun sa point na wala talaga kayong makuha na sa wallet mo. Like, literally, no? Parang, yung, alam mo yung energy example, na pagbukas mo ng wallet mo, na 20 na lang yung laman, mga ganyan, no? But I'm seeing that it's over now because you're gonna have more. That. You do not see this coming. Ayun na naman yung moon. Ang daming nakasabit pero yung buwan yung nakita ko. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo alam. Maybe you are into crystals, no, or into accessories, but doesn't have to be. Moon is really standing out right here. You do not also see that your money is changing. Mag-grow yan. Gemini. Okay? So, you also have here this Page of Cups energy, Five of Wands, here, Four of Swords. Someone here wants to heal the connection with you, wants to stop that war. Itataas niya, no, ang puting bandera rito of Gemini, no, na gusto niya na rito makipag-peace. Okay? Hug and peace sa'yo, pero mukhang hug is no. Ayokong mag-hug kayong dalawa, parang gano'n. Ayaw mo siyang ka-hug, no? Kung sino man siya, no? This person here, no, is parang lagi kanyang inaaway. Before yun, nakukuha ko rito, no? Tapos, pag nagsusorry siya, ulitin niya ulit yung ginawa niya, no? But this time, this person is now really waving that white flag, no? Na parang, Gemini, peace na tayo, yan, no? So, this person might pop out, no? February, okay, 2024, no? Magsusorry siya. Pero this time, totoo na to. Hindi na talaga siya makikipag-away sa'yo, no? So, whoever this person is, this could be your ex to some of you, pero yun nga, no, this could be anyone here na parang palagi kang inaaway, tapos pag magsusorry, no, iba pwedeng kapatid nyo to. So, yeah. Okay, Five of Swords, yeah, of course, Seven of Swords, no? So, nakikita ko rito, mga babes, no, na ayaw mo maging sentimental about this, no? Yan. And also, nakikita ko na nag-iisip siya rito ng dadalhin niyang gift, baka peace offering sa'yo. Yan, no? At ang nakakaloka, no, medyo may pagka-sentimental siya, no, kasama yung touch of his or her hand, no, yung parang originality or uniqueness niya, no. So, puwedeng baka card yun, sulatin niya na parang kung kapatid mo siya, no, "Ate or kuya, no, bati na tayo. Hindi ko na kukunin, no, yung Toblerone na nilagay mo sa ref." No, yung mga ganyan, no. So, it's a cute thing if that is your sibling, no. Pero nakuha ko rin dito na meron ditong magkapatid na malaki yung alitan talaga. But I'm seeing this person here coming towards you and really wanting this peace, no? Pero yun nga, no, you're not wanting to hug him or her, no? Parang because may kahiyaan or awkwardness, no? Yeah, ganun. And if this is a past lover here, no, this person really wants to make a peace offering here, no? Kasi alam niya, no, na ikaw yung klase ng energy, no, na mabilis kang ma-touch or parang mabilis nitong, "Oh, thank you." Gano'n ka niya nakilala, eh, 'no. So, nakikita ko rito mga babes Gemini 'no, nakikita ko rito na parang susubukan niya yung gano'n 'no. Not because na gusto niya ulit-ulitin 'no, yung pang-aaway or kung ano man yung conflicts or issues nag-arise sa inyo before. Pero this energy here is giving me this type of energy that he or she really wants, no, na i-clear yung things, no. But not necessarily, no, na bumalik kayo ulit before. Okay na sa kanya na parang mag-sorry, mag-apologize sa'yo, no, and then, yun nga, importante yung sasabihin mo sa kanya. And we also have here this King of Cups energy, yan, kataas. Someone emotionally available really is coming into your life. Second confirmation. Universe, no, is, universe seconded ang pagboto rito, no, kinumpirma palalo ni universe ang minention ko kanina. Someone very loving, someone that will care for you, nurture you, and will love you here unconditionally. This person could be coming here, from a far away location here. Maybe this person here could be, traveling by cruise ships here or big boats, no? Pwedeng this person is coming from a distance, no? But this karagatan here is, that feelings and emotions, okay, na sa'yo lang niya dito iaalay. Yeah. And you know what? This is a starfish here, okay? And starfish, it looks like to me, that with the star, this is something here very rare. But this person had found this, and star is a wish fulfillment, and I'm picking up that this person actually finds you as an answered prayer, no, sa kanya. And yeah, this person here definitely showing me that he or she will only available to you, okay, alone. Yan, diba? Told ya guys. So, iba, nag-uusap na kayo niyan, ramdam mo yung pagmamahal niya at mas lalo niya pa yung ipaparamdam sa'yo, hindi lang sa Valentine's Day, no, kundi araw-araw, everyday. So you also have here this Nine of Pentacles energy here. Two of Cups, of course, single. You will be single no more. Relationship is about to bloom. Romance is about to unfold here naturally, Gemini. And this may be your new coworker or baka ikaw ang newbie sa kumpanya na yan, no? Others of you, this could be someone here you're gonna meet, no? I don't know, no, ano ka nalaman mga babes, no, ng ang taga mga kainan. So, pwedeng dun kayo magkakilala, restaurant, no? Baka sari-sari store. Kainan, sari-sari store. Yung parang kunwari convenience store, no, or ano, kung saan may pagkain, no, may pagkain na nakapaligid, no. Pagkain, inumin, nakikita ko rito, okay? But for others of you, could be meeting this person here in your workplace or because of your way of earning a living, okay? And you also have here this justice, yeah. Wow. King of Cups together with the Justice, tell me, this person wants marriage proposal here with you. Gusto niya dalhin mo ang kanya ritong surname kung siya ang lalaki here. Or whatever the case may be, wala tayong gender dito, no? This person here wants you to be family. Officially, it's written, no, na parang this person here will be proud na, ay, ito yung person ko, ito yung wife ko, ito yung husband ko here. Yan, no? And for others of you na may connection na kayo nito, no, this person is really maririnig mo sa kanya, no, na gusto niya na rito na mag-settle down, no, natapos na, like, the search is over. Okay? Kasi natagpuan ka niya, no? Ikaw na yon. Wala na siya rito hahanapin pa. Ikaw na rito yung gusto niya makasama sa lifetime niya, no? Knight of Pentacles energy, promotion. Whatever it is that you're wanting to happen positive in your money is coming now. Okay? At I don't know, meron ditong few of you guys, no, na na-promote na ngayong January. So, whatever the case may be, natapos na ito for others, but for others of you, kung itong hinihintay mo rito na pinagbuhusan mo ng effort, hardworking ka, diligent ka, no, and you really give your passion and love to your work, kung ano yung pinagkakataan mo, maybe that's a business here, it will grow, okay? Like a wish come true regarding your money. Of course, it's ascending, it's growing, it's progressing positively. Okay? So, yun yung kita ko here. And also, third, confirmation. Whoever that person is beside you right now, whoever that person is that you're about to meet right here, this person is really serious about marrying you. And okay, I don't know why I'm getting this kind of Mongolian vibe. Maybe you had watched, that Namsoon, Strong Girl Namsoon. Okay, yung bago, no, yung sequel, no, ng dating Strong Girl. Okay, kasi dito, Mongolian siya, no, so maaaring iba sa inyo nanood kayo niyan. So I'm also picking up right here that whoever this person is will really be, no, just like you, no, and this person's gonna dance the same rhythm, dance the same music, and I don't know, no, merong mga particular songs na nare-receive ka, no, or siya, na naririnig nyo both, no, na nandun na pala yung sign na malapit na kayo ritong magtagpo. And this person was surely loved by your family and friends, by your community, by your soul tribe right here. Like there's gonna be no problem at all being accepted sa kanilang life because this person is very pure, like to the point na mararamdaman ng pamilya mo at ng mga best friends or close friends mo, no, na patutuloyin at karapat-dapat itong patuloyan sa iyong buhay. Yeah. I'm also seeing someone here worrying, no? But I do not see na ikaw yun. May nag-aalala rito, no, na kapag hindi pa siya lumapit sa'yo, medyo naiya siya eh. Pag hindi pa siya lumapit sa'yo, then maaaring ma-miss niya na 'tong opportunity na ito. So, yung iba sa inyo baka yan yung ex niyo 'no, na ma-miss niya yung opportunity rito na puwedeng mapatawad niyo siya 'no, or ma-miss niya yung opportunity na 'to na tuluyan na mag-end 'no. Kasi yung iba looking for reconciliation, looking for that rebirth or rekindling of love and affection 'no. Pero yun nga 'no, affection, I think siya na lang yung nagmamahal because you are moving here to the new journey of your life, love life here. Look at that. We're talking about the star. Starfish kanino, di ba? See? Wish coming true. This person is seeing you as a wish fulfillment here and your dreams is about to come true here, Gemini, okay? You're holding that rope, okay? You're holding on the rope. Yan, no? Wherein you wish for this one. You prayed for this one and it has something to do with your money, your life, okay, is changing right here. And I'm seeing you na parang you're so grateful of having this type of life that you will have, okay? And it might happen this 2024, sweetheart. Yeah, see, look at that. We're talking about rebirth and go. Rebirth is right here. Stability is coming into your life. Maybe your special date is 13 or maybe you are born with the number 13 na baka birth date nyo yan or baka sorry or anniversary. Yan, no? Or baka yun yung magiging yung no, special number ng special person na ito. But I do pick up that with the number 4, 1 plus 3 is 4. That's a powerful number, which means family, home, and stable. Okay? Stability in connection, stability in finances, stability in okay? General. Nakikita natin here. Page of Swords energy, I'm seeing you studying this new era or this new environment here that you will have pretty soon, Gemini. And also, I'm picking up someone here could be watching you in from a distance here. And this person feels like he or she is about to explode. Same energy na naramdaman ko here. Okay? So maybe someone here wants to go back to how things used to be. Okay? Ninyong dalawa. Pero kung ano man yun, you're done with it. And you're moving here to the new journey here of your life, Gemini. So, these are all the messages I've got right here for you, sweetheart. Thank you so much, Gemini. Sarang love and light.